Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to the DragonForce training session where I'll be introducing a new DragonForce feature, Team Lists. Let's get started. Dracontis has devised a new way for DragonForce users to quickly build and deploy their teams using our new feature, Team Lists. A team list is essentially a DragonForce object designed to assemble users from multiple departments to populate groups and incidents at a moment's notice. Team lists can be stored in group or incident files, in My Workspace, in My Resources, or in Department Resources. Team lists allow you to pre-build teams of any size and interdepartment complexity. This capability will come in handy when incidents arise requiring teams that are frequently grouped together. For complex environments containing hundreds of departments or subdepartments, the ability to pre-build and deploy your team is invaluable, particularly during high-stress, time-sensitive situations, which brings us to our second point, being able to apply team lists to groups or incidents in seconds. Lastly, team lists can be reused. Prepare your teams in advance for common group tasks like duty shift assignments or specialty teams. I'll be demonstrating how easy it is to create and apply a team list from both the DragonForce web and mobile platforms. Welcome to the Team Lists training session, where I'll be illustrating how to create and apply a team list on the DragonForce web application. A team list is a DragonForce object designed to assemble teams to quickly populate groups and incidents. You can create a team list within your personal workspace, within a group or incident, or within your personal and department resources. To create a team list, open the Group Incident Manager and right-click within the Group Workspace to open the Options menu. Then click Create and hit Team Lists. Type in the team list name and hit the checkmark. From the Team List Manager window, select the members from your department to add to your team. You can also add users from other departments to build more diverse teams to respond to a complex, large-scale event. Simply open the department filter, select another department, and hit OK. Then add the users from this department to your team and hit the check mark when you're done. To apply your team list, right-click on the object and select Apply Team List. Open the selector and choose the group or incident with which to apply your team list. Another quick way to apply the team list is by opening the roster of the preferred group or incident and dragging the team list object into the roster. You have now completed the Team Lists DragonForce training session. For more information or to check out more content, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Welcome to the Team List training session, where I'll be demonstrating how to create and apply a team list on the DragonForce mobile app. A team list is a DragonForce object designed to assemble teams to quickly populate groups and incidents. You can create a team list within your personal workspace, within a group or incident, or within your personal and department resources. To create a team list, open the File Manager and hit the Create icon. Select Team List and type in the team list name, then tap the checkmark when you're done. Open the team list, then tap the Member Manager icon and the Add icon to begin populating your team. Tick the boxes next to the members you wish to add to your team. To add members from other departments, open the department selector and choose a department from the list, then hit the checkmark. Tick the boxes next to the users to add them to your team, then hit the checkmark when you're done. To apply the team list, tap the team list icon and select the group or incident with which to apply your team list. Then hit the checkmark to confirm. You have now completed the Team List DragonForce training session. For more information or to check out more content, visit the DragonForce Academy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. It's important to note when building or editing a team list, users may only add members from departments to which they have access. If a user has access to a team list that contains users from departments they do not have permission to manage, they will only see the username of those members, and they will be grayed out. No additional information like first and last name or department affiliation will be exposed. If a user applies a team list that contains such members, they will not be added to the group or incident. Only a manager of a group or incident may apply a team list to the group or incident. For more information or documentation, visit the DragonForce Academy by clicking this link. Or for technical support, you can email the DragonForce support team right here. Thanks for your attention.